Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can share files from your Dropbox really quickly, for example, with contacts. It is really no rocket science, guys. So what you want to do is head over to dropbox.com, log into your account. Of course, the method I'm about to show you can be applied to both versions, Dropbox in your web browser, as well as to the Dropbox application installed on your iOS or on your Windows computer, for instance. So what you want to do here is upload a file if you haven't done it yet. Upload a file to your Dropbox storage. You can do that by clicking on create here. So let me do that really fast. Click on create, and from the drop down menu here, select file. Next, locate the file on your computer. So let me upload 2 files at once, or maybe even 3 just for demonstration purposes. So wait for the upload to be finished. You will see the upload process here in the bottom right corner and the progress. And here in that upload window in the bottom right corner, you will see that button here to the right next to the given uploaded document, copy link. So you can click on that button to copy your shareable link here. And once that's done, you will be able to share that link with your contacts and friends online via social media posts, direct messaging services, emails, and so on and so forth. So let me paste that link into a new tab. Let me also log out of my account just for demonstration purposes. And after that, your contacts you have given access to that shareable link will see a window like that, where they will be given the opportunity to simply download the shared file. Of course, to do that, they will need to log into their own Dropbox account. As you probably know, signing up on Dropbox is entirely free. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.